Hey guys, this is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the A major pentatonic scale. On the previous lessons I taught you how to play E minor pentatonic scale and A minor pentatonic scale. This is the A major pentatonic scale. So let's get started. Okay, that's the sound of the A major pentatonic scale. Similar box shape as the A minor pentatonic scale. We've just moved down on some of the frets. Again, like the A minor, you still start off with the A note here on the 5th fret of the very top E string. Instead of placing your index finger on the A to play the major scale, you place your little finger on the 5th string of the 5th fret on the A string, and then we're going to be playing frets 5 and 2 primarily, 5, 2, and 4 instead of going up this way. Okay, we'll start off with our little finger on the 5th fret, and then string number 5, 2nd fret, and then the 4th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 5th fret, and then walk back down. That's the A major pentatonic scale. Okay, we'll play through it one more time real slow. Back down. Very easy scale to learn. Okay, if you like this lesson, be sure and hit the like button at the end of this video. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I want to thank all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for viewing today. God bless you.